What is up, YouTube? We are here today for an update on the Blue EK. We actually have a giveaway winner for it, so we're going to be releasing the name to it, and we're going to do a big update on it because we had a big memory card actually take a crap on us, so we lost all our footage from the last couple months of filming, getting everything painted and done on this car. So we're just going to do a big update on this car, and we're going to release the name and the name of the giveaway winner because somebody actually did guess the name to our car. So they actually won. So we're going to give them their choice of the gray or the black hat, which, you know, we're glad that everybody that did enter got to participate in this. You know, we just wanted to see if anybody could actually guess the name of this car. And somebody actually did. It's a little dirty right now. It's been sitting in the garage. We haven't done much with it. But we'll get to that in a minute. And right now we have the doors painted. Yellow on the inside and blue on the outside. So we got both doors done. And we have our trunk done. Yellow on the inside, blue on the outside. We have our rear corners. We have our door, the black moldings that were on the door. We actually painted in blue to give it a little different look. The bumpers, blue. We got all the door trims, door handles, paint match door handles, guys. That's what we're talking about right there. And we got our fenders done. Everything looks good. Side moldings, bumpers. We got our grill. I think we got everything we need painted. We might be missing a couple little pieces here and there that we need to get painted, but we will have them done. It's really cold here in Ohio right now, so we're having a hard time. We can't paint right now, so the painting's pretty much over until spring. So I'm hoping everything that I got everything painted that I need painted, which would be great. I hope I didn't forget nothing. So with that being said, guys, that's the update on the blue car. So what we're actually waiting on is we're gonna go get some stainless steel hardware to put all our doors on. We already have the hardware for the fenders, and we got to go get some clips for the bumper. Once we get the clips for the bumper, we can get the bumpers on. This car will be put together minus the hood. We're still getting ready to order the hood. We haven't done that yet because I don't know which one I want, so I'm being picky about it. Sorry, guys. I'm not too worried about a hood right now. I'd rather get the motor built than spend $1,000, $1,500 on a hood right now. So we're going to do the motor, and then I'll keep thinking about what hood I want so we can put on it. So without any further ado, the winner of the giveaway is Amber Dawn Lewis. She guessed it correctly, and the car's name is the Minion. We are naming it the Minion because we have other things we are going to do with the car. That's the reason why it is painted the way it is. Which, you know, it's Honda. It's Acura Type R yellow. It's Honda yellow. And we got blue on there. I'm not giving away the blue. But we got everything we want on it, the way we want, the colors and everything for a specific reason. And that will be revealed later once the car is actually running and working. Then we'll reveal the reason why we painted it the way we did and the reason why we named the car what we did. So if you guys want to know that, please stick tuned for the rest of the build on this, and then we will reveal the secret on that. So we will reach out to Amber and see which hat she would like, if she would like a gray hat or a black hat. So guys, please, we still have a giveaway going on the red car, so please put your name in the comments, and we will get your name entered in to win a hat for the red car. All we're looking for is a name. You don't have to guess a name. We want your name. So that will do it for this video, guys. So if you guys liked it, please hit that like, subscribe button if you like the name. If you didn't like the name, you know, let me know. Thanks. See you guys on the next video.